Hi, my name is Monisha Jain. I am the director of the Future X Labs here at Nokia Bell Labs. Today we are hosting for the very first time a Facebook Live session right here from the floor of the Future X Lab at the Nokia Bell Labs campus in New Jersey. Let me tell you a little bit about the Bell Labs Prize. The Bell Labs Prize is given to those candidates who can demonstrate implementable, innovative, practical, and yet visionary solutions that transform the human experience. So no pressure, right? We actually received over 150 nominations for this prize, and out of that we had to select the top 12 candidates to be our semi-finalists. They've been invited here to Murray Hill today. They've been immersed in an Innovathon all day, and today we'll get to speak to some of them and also talk to some of our researchers at Bell Labs to see what the future holds for us. So join me as I start this conversation with some of our candidates for the Bell Labs Prize. Let's go over and meet some of them right now. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Hi, very good. Why don't you tell us your name and your university affiliation, please?
I'm Konstantinos Papadrias. I work at Athens Information Technology in Greece.
All the way from Greece.
All the way from Greece.
Can you tell me a little bit about your research?
Yeah,
and how it ties into this 5G end-to-end network we saw here today?
So I work in wireless systems with emphasis on antenna technologies. And what I've been proposing here is a new antenna technology based on liquids, so liquid antennas that are flexible for applications in 5G related to industrial environments.
That's perfect, especially with the antenna technology. It's just a revolution right now with 5G and beyond. So thank you so much for sharing some of this with us and visiting us.
Thanks for having me. Thank you.
Of course. Let's go over to our next candidate for the semi-final prize. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, would you like to tell us your name, please, and your university affiliation as well?
My name is Sher. I'm from UC San Diego.
Cool. And tell us a little bit about your research.
My research is focused on developing wearable skin-like electronic devices that people can wear to monitoring what's going on inside the human body.
Oh wow, I think health and wellness has become such a key factor as we drive the technology and human experience together. So it's very exciting.
Yeah,
so tell us about your experience here as part of this Bell Labs Prize and what you saw here today, and what are your thoughts?
Yeah, I was very surprised when I received the email telling me that I was selected as a finalist for the Bell Labs Prize. And this morning when I attended this tour, I was so thrilled to learn that some of the foundational technologies were invented at Bell Labs, such as the transistors, the optical fibers, and also the solar cells.
Yeah.
And I think Bell Labs as a industry-supported research organization, its contribution to the general human kind of science technology development is probably more than most of the universities. I was so greatly honored to be part of the process.
Oh, that's wonderful. And I'm glad you saw this whole timeline. You saw the history of Bell Labs, you saw the present, and now you're here in the Future X Lab. And you are inventing the future. So we are thrilled to have you here as well. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
All right, let's go over and talk to a couple of our Bell Labs researchers and get into their heads a little bit. Let's start off with Marcus. Hello.
Hi, Monisha.
Hi. Would you like to tell us your name and also what you do here at Bell Labs?
Sure, I'm Marcus Hoffman, and I'm leading the Application Platforms and Software System Research Lab at Nokia Bell Labs.
And tell us a little bit about how your research, your leading edge research, contributes to this era of 5G that we are in, almost in.
Yeah, so the 5G network is only as valuable as the applications that basically run on top of it. So we make it very simple, very cost effective, and very easy to create those services and applications on top of that. And this by itself is already a pretty cool job, but it's even more exciting because we do it in the very building where 50 years ago the Unix operating system was invented, and actually, of course, also C and C++ languages. And we actually build on that heritage by taking some of the key core principles of the Unix operating system and bring them into the modern area, the modern world. A world that is no longer dominated by simple photos, videos, and short messages, but by billions of devices, wearable sensors that surround us. And the software that we actually create allows people, ourselves and others, to very easily extract insights and value from these data streams to then create a never known before awareness about ourselves, about our environment, about other people. We can do things that you just cannot do in reality today with VR, AR technologies. So pretty exciting times.
Very wonderful. Thank you so much, Marcus, and all the best. Let's go over now to our second Bell Labs researcher here. Hello.
Hello.
Tell us your name and also what you do here at Bell Labs.
So my name is Sher, and I'm a member of technical staff here at Nokia Bell Labs. So I'm part of the Augmented Human Devices group. And so what I'm really working on is how do you go beyond vital signs to go deeper to get information about your physiological state. And so to actually go beyond the skin and into the blood without penetrating the skin.
Of course, yeah, and we've got all this era of wearables here right now, and you're just looking at the next level beyond that.
Exactly. To go beyond just heart rate and sleep activity, how do you actually get more insight?
Perfect. And what excites you about what you're doing here? I mean, this sounds so thrilling already, but what drives you? What's your passion?
So what's really exciting is that we're in this new era of digitization of everything with IoT, right? And so really everything that mankind has made up until now, all these machines and devices, the idea is to get that part of this network. But in doing that, we should not forget the human, right? So how do you keep that human as part of that network? And so the work we're working on, the devices that we're actually making, I could see where the excitement is to get that physiological state, the cognitive state, the emotional state, by which you could really put that human back in that network and make it truly complete. And so that's what excites me.
That's wonderful. It's taking like augmented reality, but making the augmented human in a way that's almost seamless. Yeah?
Exactly.
It's perfect. Thank you so much, Sher. Let's go over and meet one of our other semi-finalist candidates right here. Hi. Good to see you. Please tell us your name and your university affiliation.
I'm Sergio Abadal, and I work at the Universitat Politécnica de Catalunya in Barcelona, Spain.
Wow, all the way from Spain. Tell me a little bit about your research, please. It's very exciting.
I work on wireless communications and networking beyond 5G, but since beyond 5G might mean different things, let me explain my case. In my case, it means bringing wireless communications at the nanoscale. That means within chips or within the human body.
So you're going to inject these nano chips inside us and make us better as human beings? Or?
Yes, that's one of the main goals for medicine, for healthcare, and also for augmenting our capacities as humans.
What has it been like for you here today, being at this cradle of the internet, the Bell Labs facility, and what you've seen here, what you've heard here today?
So far, it has been a great experience. Getting to know the headquarters of Bell Labs, the history behind of this place, and also getting to know the researchers that work here that have also been involved in refining our ideas for the Bell Labs Prize has been a prize success.
Wow. All the best to you, and thank you so much for sharing all your thoughts here with us today. So this is what we've been doing all day today, is we've been just immersed in ideas, in future, in technology, and in the human condition. And this is something that we are very proud of, to being part of the Bell Labs heritage, but also being part of the Bell Labs future. I've been completely inspired by all these people here today and hearing their ideas. We've talked about everything from cognition to neuroscience to 6G and 7G and beyond, and the other Gs at this point, but it's been a thrill, and I'm so inspired by our semi-finalist candidates. I wish you all the very best, and I hope you'll come back and join us again here in the Bell Labs family. But also, I'm looking forward to our next session with you, the audience, and inspire some of you to come visit us here. Thank you.